Good day viewers and thanks for tuning in to Polymerupdate TV, the world's first and only TV network with a free petrochemicals news show. You're watching the Petrochemical Market Synopsis with me, Pratiksha Jaipal. It's Friday, September 9th. Let's start with energy news. Crude oil prices gained on Thursday as President Vladimir Putin stated that Russia would discontinue energy supplies to Europe if prices of Russian oil and gas exports were capped. Price also rose on the back of a fall in the value of the US dollar. Brent crude prices rose by $1.15, settling at $89.15 per barrel, while WTI futures increased by $1.60, settling at $83.54 per barrel. On Thursday, open spec naphtha prices declined sharply by $36 per metric ton at $623 per metric ton, CFR Far East Asia levels. On Thursday in Asia, ethylene and propylene prices were assessed steady on the back of quiet regional buying sentiments. Moving to weekly market updates for PP and PVC in Europe and the USA. PP in Europe. This week, PP prices slipped in Europe on the back of bearish demand trends and ongoing oversupply in the region. PP injection molding grade spot prices were assessed at Euro 1340 to 1355 per metric ton FD Northwest Europe levels, a week-on-week fall of 10 euros per metric ton, while PP block copolymer grade spot prices were assessed at Euro 1445 to 1455 per metric ton FD Northwest Europe mark, unchanged from the previous week. In the contract markets, PP injection molding grade prices were assessed at Euro 1640 to 1645 per metric ton FD Northwest Europe levels and Euro 1630 to 1635 per metric ton FD Italy levels, a week-on-week drop of 10 euros per metric ton. PP block copolymer grade prices were assessed at Euro 1710 to 1715 per metric ton FD Northwest Europe levels and FD Italy prices were assessed at Euro 1700 to 1715 per metric ton levels, both lower by 10 euros per metric ton from last week. FCA Antwerp PP homopolymer prices were assessed at Euros 1330 to 1390 per metric ton levels, a week-on-week fall of 10 euros per metric ton, while FCA Antwerp PP copolymer prices were assessed at Euro 1430 to 1460 per metric ton levels, unchanged from last week. Upstream propylene spot prices were assessed at Euro 490 to 500 per metric ton FD Northwest Europe levels, unchanged from the previous week. Propylene feedstock contract prices for the month of September 2022 settled at Euro 1230 per metric ton FD Northwest Europe mark. This price represents a plunge of 165 euros per metric ton from its August settlement levels. PVC in Europe. This week, PVC spot prices drifted lower in Europe. PP in USA. This week, PP export prices tumbled in the United States. PVC in USA. This week, PVC export prices declined in the United States. Before we move on to futures on the China Dalian Commodity Exchange for today, please do click on the bell icon to subscribe to our free news channel, and if you like today's video, please remember to like this video by giving us a thumbs up. It motivates us to continue to bring you this free informative news service on a daily basis. Back to futures on China's Dalian Commodity Exchange. On September 9th, 2022, LLDPE prices are higher by 10 RMB per metric ton at 8,095 RMB per metric ton. PP prices are down by 10 RMB per metric ton at 7,970 RMB per metric ton. PVC prices are up by 2 RMB per metric ton at 6,440 RMB per metric ton. MEG prices are higher by 5 RMB per metric ton at 4,380 RMB per metric ton. That's all for today's Polymer News. Watch our daily news video on Monday to know more. This is Polymer Update with me, Pratiksha Jaipal from Mumbai. Many thanks for watching.